In this video, I'm going to teach you a trick on how to calculate the range. And this problem might look impossible, but once you know the trick, it's quite easy. So if we have a problem that says, for this data set, how would the range change if the number 6 was replaced with the number 2? So first thing to remember what the range is. The range is the difference between the greatest number and the least number. So let's calculate the original range, but first we need to put the numbers in order from least to greatest. That'll make it easier, okay? So putting these numbers from least to greatest will look like this, okay? So when you do that, once you're done, to know that you've done it correctly, just count the number of numbers you have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I know I didn't miss a number. Okay? So now let's point out what the least is, and this is the greatest. Okay? So now we just subtract the original range. The original range is 52 minus 6, which is 46. Now we can replace the 6 with a 2, because how would the range change if the number 6 was replaced with the number 2? So we need to put a 2 here instead. So that's going to look like that. So now the least number is 2 and the greatest is still 52, and we can calculate the new range. The new range is 52 minus 2, which equals 50. So that means the range has increased from 46 to 50 when we change 6 to 2. Okay? And that's all there is to that. And anyone can do this. Don't worry if you didn't get that right away. You could just rewatch the video. As well, take a look at the description. I have links there to other videos that I've done that are similar. As well, you could download the ebook. In the ebook, there's a link that'll take you right to this video, and you can follow along as you watch the video. Thank you so much for listening, and please make sure to like and subscribe.